Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious bread. So let's get started. First of all is we take in our water. It's still very hot. You just want to put it in the bowl. In your warm water, add in your yeast. And also add in your sugar. Let your mixture sit for about 10 minutes or so, and this allows it to bubble up and to make sure that your yeast is still good. In your flour, just add in your salt and mix this. If your yeast bubbles like this, just continue with the recipe. If not, your yeast is dead. The yeast and water is still very warm, so go ahead and add in your flour and salt mixture. Add in some oil. Gently start mixing everything together, and you'll notice that this dough is very sticky, and that's how you want it to be. This dough does not need to be kneaded. After making your dough, this is what it's going to look like, and let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours. Put a lid on the bowl and let it rest in a place that is not drafty. Essentially, the trick to this is to keep the bowl in a warm place. To bake the bread, I'm using my Dutch oven. Before we use this though, I will be putting this in the oven just to warm it up, because the yeast and the dough, you don't want it to change temperature from what it is in the bowl right now to a cold Dutch oven. It would just mess up with the whole chemistry of the bread. So now just take some flour, put on your parchment paper. Slowly take your bread and make sure that you're getting all the edge. While I'm removing my dough from this bowl, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And add in some flour on here. Just a little bit. Slowly just transfer this to the Dutch oven. Don't worry about the shape right now, because when this will bake, it will get bigger in size and it will form properly. Put the lid on and put this back in the oven. I put my Dutch oven in the oven at 450 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes with the lid on and 10 minutes without the lid. So now let's take a look. Have a slice of this bread with some butter and a cup of tea on the side. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye-bye.